Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share with you my January 2021 Eyescream Beauty Box. A little bit about this box, just a little bit before we get started, because I am going to post a link to the website down below so you can go check it out. It is a monthly subscription box. It costs $24.99 a month. You get 5 to 6, I believe. If it's different, I'll let you know down at the bottom of the screen. 5 to 6 full-size items, and you do get to pick at least one of your items each month. This month I picked a really awesome eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to get my hands on it. Alright guys, like I said, there is a link down in the description for you to be able to check this out on your own. If you do, as always, let me know what you find. Let me know if you get it. And let me know what you got, because you all know Chaos Jen is nosy and she just needs to know these things. Alright, let's get into the box. And this is what we have on the inside. We do have a little card with all of our information on it. And underneath that, we've got our eco-friendly packing peanuts and all of our products. All right, let's just go ahead and start with what is on top. So what we have here is a Hollywood Glam eyeshadow palette by IBY Beauty. Here's what the outside packaging looks like. Very pretty. I don't think I've had an eyeshadow palette by IBY Beauty before. Inside packaging looks very much like the outside. We do have a color saver, and then there's also a mirror all across the top, which I will cover up for you. And these colors are awesome. Ooh, look at this leading lady up in the top corner. That is going to be awesome for a brow highlight or even the inner corner of the eye. Gorgeous. This is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, let's pull out our card. IBY Beauty Choice Palette, and it is a $20 value. Next, we have a lipstick by a company called Crown Pro. I haven't heard of them before. This has a $6 value, and it is in the color Midnight Kiss. Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't think I'm going to open this one. It's probably going to go into a giveaway, because I think I have a lot of lipsticks in this color, or at least very similar. So yes, look for that in an upcoming giveaway, guys. Next, we have a serum by Earth Harbor. You guys know I love Earth Harbor. And this is Celestine. Celestine? Probably saying it wrong. This is a Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum. It has seaweed peptides and hyaluronic acid in it. I always love seeing what color these are. Ooh, this is a nice sky blue. I think I might actually have this one already too. I kind of went on an Earth Harbor kick and bought a bunch of them. If I do, this will also go on a giveaway. I am not disappointed to have this by any means. I love Earth Harbor. All right, so this one, Earth Harbor Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum, it has a $45 value. That is awesome. Next, we have a highlighting crayon by the company So Susan. I love their packaging. It is so cute. Let's see if I can find out what color this is. This is in the color Starlight. It says it down at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can read that or not. Probably not, because it's very reflective. Here is what the packaging looks like on the inside. And it is broken. So I will be contacting the company to get this replaced. Looks like maybe it got stuck up on the inside of the cap. So, oh, oof, yeah. Well, maybe it's still usable. That's pretty. Very pretty. I think I can still use it like that as long as it stays in the packaging. We'll give it a try. Not a big deal, but I do need to wipe off my hands because there's your swatch right in the middle of my hand. Very creamy. So yeah, I can't complain about that. So this is the So Susan Highlighting Crayon, and it is a $20 value. And then the last thing that we have is this big box, and it is by Bella Pierre. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can read this one, because I have a feeling I'm going to need them. All right. Mermaid Glam Eyeshadow Set, and then it says, I Slay, step-by-step instructions included. Oh, cool. So this is that eyeshadow look I'm going to be able to create? Wow. Okay, no, wait a minute. This complete Mermaid Glam Eye Slay kit was designed for a vibrant, bold look. It includes 2 of Bella Pierre's best-selling pigments and a cosmetic glitter. The finely milled shimmer powders are formulated with 3 pure and hypoallergenic ingredients that blend like a dream and will not crease throughout the day. Also included is the synthetic eyeshadow brush and step-by-step instructions for seamless application. So I guess there's different, I don't know if these are different looks that you can create with it or if there's just different sets. Interesting. I could do a mermaid eye look. I mean, you know, I could probably pull it off. I could do it. So you don't open the box like this, guys. You got to be smarter than the box. I'm okay. I really am. What was I tearing off? It opens on top like this. So there are these step-by-step instructions. Prep the lid, apply the base, in transition color, apply the darker color, and then apply the glitter. Okay, I'm doing a mermaid look. I'm going to have to do this with my girls too, you know I am. So here's the brush that they gave you. This is going to be so fun to play with. Here's what it looks like. Let me hold it this way so you can see the Bella Pierre on there. There you go. It is a good, nice, firm brush, but it is still soft. Here's one of the eye colors. It is in the color turquoise. I'm going to open it carefully because I don't know which one is the glitter and which one isn't. Still don't know. It's got one of those little shaker things on top, so I'm guessing it's just a really pigmented eyeshadow powder. And I probably already read that in the instructions while I was talking to you guys and I already forgot about it. I don't know. Next one is in the color Tropic. Here's what that looks like on the outside. I love how these are all shimmers. Yeah. Powder pigment. So I think the first one that we had was the glitter. See how it's different? There's the glitter and then there's the pigment. And then the last one that we have is kind of a goldish color and it is called Bronze. Sorry, I said gold. It's bronze. What was I thinking? There's that. And then again, it's the highly pigmented powder. Well, first of all, I've never done a mermaid look. Second of all, I've never used pigmented eyeshadow or pigment powder eyeshadow before. So that's going to be cool. All right, so now we can open it like this. I'm just extremely brain farty today, I guess. Then we can open the top, and then it shows you the colors and the brush on the inside. That is cool. And again, this is what the mermaid eyeshadow look looks like. Look at all those other ones on the back, though. See those? Very cool. All right. Very exciting stuff. Definitely happy with every product that I got. Let's go through the items one more time. This was my choice item. You do get to pick one item every month. This is the Hollywood Glam eyeshadow palette. Again, there's all the colors that we are super excited to get into. This is a really heavy, sturdy palette too. Then we've got this highlighting crayon. It's kind of covered weird too. Like it covers the words. See? Here's the rest of them. And then that came out, but I think it's going to stay now, so we'll take it. This is by the company So Susan. We've got the Earth Harbor Celestine Serum. Nice blue color, and I believe I do already have this, so I'm just going to set it aside for a giveaway. Not a problem. We've got this really pretty Crown Pop lipstick in the color Midnight Kiss. It's kind of like a New Year's Eve box theme, I think. And then we've got our Mermaid Eye Look box. I never told you the price point on this one, so let me look on here and see. Bella Pierre Mermaid Sleigh Kit, and there's a $45 value. Wow, guys, a lot of bang for your buck. Like I said, it's only $24.99 for this entire box, and clearly you get all kinds of fun stuff. All right, guys, that's everything that we got. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, let me know what your favorite product was down in the comments. I always love hearing what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down below as well, and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you so very much for joining me today. If you haven't already, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, it really helps to encourage YouTube to promote our videos. And we are getting super close to 1,000 subscribers, guys. In fact, we're already past the 950 subscribers. So I will have that 950 subscriber giveaway coming up very soon. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner, which is a little picture of me, or you can click the red subscribe button down below this video and you will be in. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye.